Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Stroke rehab focused on good arm shows better results. Trial finds Mednews. Traditional stroke rehabilitation focuses on restoring function to the side of the body impaired by the stroke, but a new study found that therapy targeting the less impaired arm can significantly improve movement and control. Researchers conducted a clinical trial with 53 stroke patients, randomly assigning 25 to receive therapy for their less impaired arm and 28 to receive standard therapy for their more impaired arm. Those who received therapy for their less impaired arm showed a 12% improvement in dexterity test performance, which can make a significant difference in their ability to perform daily tasks independently, reducing the burden on caregivers. The improvements lasted for at least 6 months after the therapy ended, and researchers plan to explore how this targeted training could be combined with existing rehabilitation protocols. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak